Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, and my good name is Nancy Otieno, and if you're new in this channel, you are highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, I do appreciate your support so much. Okay guys, today is on Tuesday, and it's around 8 a.m. here in Kenya. I don't know wherever you are watching me from, but here in Kenya it's 8 a.m. guys. And on today's video, I just want to go back to Nairobi. I have an issue there. There is something I'm going to do there. So I just want to go back. Reason why I'm telling you I'm going back. Some three weeks back I was in Nairobi, so I'm going back, guys. So I just want you to get ready with me, guys. I want to show you everything, venye na pack, venye nafanya nini, venye nafanya makeup yangu, everything. I just want to, this is a get ready with me video, okay? So guys, if any case you've not subscribed in this channel, please click that subscribe button and join this beautiful YouTube channel. And don't forget to click that notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Okay guys, I just want to get ready. Ni kama kunataka kunyesha huku. Na nimesikia Nairobi kunanyesha, sijui nitafanya aje, but God willing nitafika tu poa. So guys, wish me a safe journey on the comment section. Don't forget to wish me a safe journey. Unajua saa hii ni kubaya. But let me, nataka tu nijipake, niweke manguo zangu, sijaweka manguo. I don't want to carry a lot of clothes. I just want to carry some clothes and my essential things. And stay tuned. Okay guys, stay tuned and watch this video. Full video.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up.
So guys, this is the bag I'm going with. I want to carry my clothes here in this bag, okay? So let me start arranging my clothes. These are the clothes I want to carry. These are the clothes. This is the bag. Not this one. This one I'm not going with this one. So just want to pack now. Packing, guys. Still packing. guys, I told you sitabeba vitu mingi. Nguo zangu ziko hapa, nishaweka ndani. So I just want to wear this trouser. So guys, I'm contemplating between this one and this one. I don't know which is which, but I just want to fit them because this one nowadays imekuwa ndogo. I just want to try. So ikimifit nitavaa hii, but ikikata I just wear this one and black top. This one. So let me try fitting these clothes. Na bra yangu ndio hii. Okay guys, let me fit and come back. So guys, this one is okay. The other one is small, so I'll just go with this one. The other one is very small, so I'm just going to wear this one. This one at least. So, this one is okay, guys. Am I smart? Am I smart? Am I good? So guys, this is how I will dress. Black top, blue jeans. I think it's okay. It's okay guys. Am I good? Am I smart guys? So guys, wacha tufanye makeup. Wacha tufanye makeups. Tuende juu tunachelewa na kuna mvua huko Nairobi. So nataka nifike mapema. Okay? Wacha tufanye makeups. Hii ni kama kawaida. I'm feeling fresh. Hii kitu naipenda. It's really good for the fresh breath. Fresh breath. So guys, I'll start with the foundation. I don't have many things for makeup, so I'll just use whatever I have. Okay guys, whatever I have, I'll just use it. So foundation, let me tell you first, I'll use foundation, powder, high pencil, mascara kupaka hapa kwa lashes. You miss situmiangi lashes, so I'll put just mascara and lipstick only. Okay, enjoy the video. Me, I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just doing my own makeup the way I know. So, okay. my eyebrows. Can you see? Huh? Nimejaribu guys. Nimejaribu. Mascara guys, I use this one for my lashes. Hii kitu usipoweka vizuri unaweza lia, my people.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You need gotta.
I'm done doing my makeup. Guys, mniambia hapo kwa comment section. Nimejaribu. Nimejaribu guys. So I want to spray my hair. Done. So guys, I'm done. Nishafanya kila kitu. I think I'm just ready now. I'm ready to go. I think ushaona kila kitu. Nisha pack bag yangu ndio hii. Hii sweater nataka kuingiza ndani, alafu I think nimemaliza tu. Hakuna kenye mibaki, kila kitu iko hapa. Nishafanya kila kitu, niko sawa. I just want to hit the road now. So guys, I think lighting is too much. Let me put it here. So guys, I think I'll end the video here because kuna nyesha nje, hakuna venye nitashoot, imagine. So itabidi tu ni end this video here, and I think tutapatana huko. Tutapatana Nairobi. So I'll end this video here. And if you watch this video till the end, thank you so much. And if you've not subscribed, please take your time and subscribe. Like my videos, comment, and share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. We want to reach 100 subscribers. Okay? So guys, let us catch up on my next video. And I say bye. Love you.
Say